Hello guys, welcome again. In this video, I am starting a new series in Go language, that is the web development. So for web development, we know that we do each and everything in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and nowadays we are also using modern language, React, Angular for that. Similarly, in Go language also we have their own server. So in this video we are going to learn how we can write a first web page in Go language to display hello world statement. So first of all, I give the package main. Now I just use the function main like this. Now I use http dot handler function like this, and in this function two arguments I have to pass. First is the root directory and second is the handler function. So I say handler function like this. So I'm creating this function here. I say func handler function like this, and in this function we have to pass two arguments. So one is the http dot request or response writer, and second one is the pointer type http request, or we have a http request like this. Then I'm using here fmt dot f writer f printf like this and w, and here I pass welcome to first web page in Golang. Okay, and here I can use also the %s to display the path. If I have, I say url dot path like this. So path would be the root directory, this one, and we have the statement and I'm passing function here. Now I can start the server. http dot listen and service on a port number, I say 999 and I pass nil like this. So here I am passing the port and nil I am passing here, and it's listening on this, and I'm starting this. So if I save it and I try to run it, and it is asking to allow the permission on port number 999. So I allow it and I open a browser, and here if I type localhost 999, you see I have the welcome to first web page in Golang. So this is the root. So I can give you one modification also, Golang by URL like this. Save it. Again I stop this. Once again I run it and allow the firewall, and I refresh it. You say by URL this. So like this we can create first welcome page, welcome web page in Go language. In next video we are going to learn more about how we can use HTML, CSS or other types of services in Go language for creating a web pages. Thank you for watching this video.